as broad as long. The idiom, as broad as long, is an expression used to describe a situation where two choices or options are essentially the same or have equal consequences. It suggests that no matter which option is chosen, the outcome will be similar or have no significant difference. This idiom is often used when someone is faced with a decision and realizes that both choices will lead to the same result. It implies that there is no advantage or disadvantage to choosing one option over the other. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of the idiom. 1. Example: should I take the bus or walk to work? It's as broad as long. Explanation: in this example, the person is trying to decide between taking the bus or walking to work. However, they realize that both options will take the same amount of time and effort. Therefore, they conclude that it doesn't matter which option they choose because the outcome will be the same. 2. Example: whether I study for the exam or not, the result will be as broad as long. Explanation: in this case, the person is contemplating whether to study for an exam or not. However, they believe that regardless of their decision, the outcome will be the same. They believe that studying or not studying will not make a significant difference in the result of the exam. 3. Example: buying the expensive brand or the cheaper one will be as broad as long. Explanation: here, the person is trying to decide between buying an expensive brand or a cheaper one. However, they realize that both options will provide similar quality or functionality. They understand that the price difference does not necessarily mean a noticeable difference in the outcome or satisfaction. In all these examples, the idiom, as broad as long, is used to convey that the options being considered have no significant difference in terms of outcome, consequence, or benefit. It emphasizes that the choice between the options is inconsequential because the end result will be the same.